Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix your SpareBank 1 app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app starts working properly. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can prevent the app from functioning correctly. Then restart your phone to refresh the system and clear any background issues that may be affecting the app. Make sure your SpareBank 1 is updated to the latest version. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the SpareBank 1 app, and then make sure that you've updated the bank to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Then, if the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app from the official App Store. This removes any corrupted files. If it still does not work, the issue may be from the bank servers, so wait a few minutes and try again later. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 app not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful and simple